Hey, it's Thursday. Thanks for joining me. A lot of you looked at my calls on gold and silver yesterday, and I want to do a follow-up because we have gone lower in gold and we have hit my support area, which is around the sort of the 1879, 1874 area. Why have I chosen that as a support area? Well, we've got a fairly short-term fib level, 61.8% fib level. I say fairly because that actually goes down to the swing low in December and up to the swing high in March. So finally, we've pulled back to that support area, that fib level. Longer term, from July of last year, the end of July last year, we have the 50% fib, which is at 1877. And we have the 100-day moving average, which is also at 1877. So with a little trend line going back to the middle of March as well, there's 3 or 4 reasons there why this is a good support level in gold, and also just getting into oversold territory on the slow stochastic. I'd rather we were a little bit more oversold, or we had been oversold for a little bit longer, but that'll do. These are good enough reasons for me after a decent plunge from 1998. So we've gone down, what's that, $125 against, $125 in gold. It's a decent plunge, and maybe the buyers will start to come in. Worth a try, isn't it? Break below 1870 would pretty much mean that support level had been broken. Then we can drop quite severely. I mean, we could get down to 1840, 1835. Now, that's another big support level for me. I won't go into the details of that one now, but you can see already there's some trend lines and moving averages there and some fib levels. We'll talk about that next week or later in the week if we get down that far. A big old level when you look at the weekly chart. So it seems far more important when you look at the weekly chart. We can get a bounce off this 1879, 1875 area in gold. We're overrunning it a little bit now. We're down to 1871. Then we can see sort of 1890, 1900. Who knows? We could get to 1910. But longer term, I'm still quite negative for gold. So I think eventually we will get to that 1840, 1835 area. A quick recap on silver. We were short at 2380, 2390. That worked really well. High at 2395. If you've run that short down to my target area, which is around the 2300 area, we have got support around 2300, 2290. Good place to take profit on the short. I've done that already. I'm not so confident that this is a big support level in silver. Obviously, if gold does hold its support level, then this less important support level in silver will probably hold as well, and silver will bounce, but it's really only a trend line. Well, there is a 38.2% fib, quite an important one going all the way back to March 2020. But the thing is, we've traded around that area so often that line for me is really rather blurred and not as significant as it should be. But still, happy to see 80-90 pip profit on the short position, and happy to take profit there and maybe just sit back and see what happens in silver now. So that's it. That's my silver and gold call for today. Good luck with that if you try the trade, and join me again tomorrow for some more. Please do like, subscribe, share, do all of that for me. Helps me with my YouTube numbers. And please put your comments in the comments box if you agree with with my trade idea, if you think if you've got a better trade idea, or if you think that we're going to break lower in both gold and silver. Would love to hear about it.